Ever wondered what's really happening on your network? In this project, we'll show you how to set up your own network monitor using a Raspberry Pi. We'll be testing two solutions, NIMS and NTOP. Welcome to Black Device YouTube channel. Let's start with NIMS. We use a Raspberry Pi 5 and flashed the NIMS image onto a micro SD card using Raspberry Pi Imager. Once written, insert the card, connect the Ethernet cable, and power it up. No keyboard or monitor required. When the green LED stops blinking, it's ready. Go to your browser, open a new tab, and type something like https://nimshostname.local or use your Pi's IP address. Log in with the default setup credentials, change your password, set your email for notifications, and run sudo nims-init. And just like that, your monitoring server is live. From the NIMS dashboard, you can monitor device health, assign a static IP, configure alerts, add hosts to monitor devices connected to your network, and much more. It's a solid option for tracking uptime and infrastructure status. We explain each step in detail in the blog post. You'll find the link in the description. Now, let's move on to NTOP. This one focuses on real-time traffic analytics. You'll need a flash Raspberry Pi OS and connect via SSH. Once connected, we run a few commands to install the NTOP repository and packages. When it's running, head to your browser and go to https://your-pi-IP. Log in with the default user, set your new password, and boom, you got a beautiful live dashboard showing bandwidth protocols, top talkers, and more. It's ideal if you're more interested in traffic stats than infrastructure status. So which one should you choose? If you need uptime tracking, alerts, and a full infrastructure view, go with NIMS. If you want traffic data and real-time analytics, NTOP is your best friend. And if you're like us, maybe install both and see which one fits your needs best. Want to try it yourself? All the steps are explained clearly in our blog post. The link is in the description of this video. And we've also added direct links to the official documentation of both NIMS and NTOP, so you can explore their full capabilities. If you like DIY tech and Raspberry Pi builds, subscribe to our channel. We're always building something new. Thanks for watching.